Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to perform custom filter in Mendix. First, go to domain model and create your entity. Like I am creating a book entity which have some attributes like book name as a string type and book price as a integer or decimal what you want to select. In this video I am selecting integer type. Click OK and click OK. After this, duplicate this domain model and make this non-persistable for refreshing the data and for filtering the data when we are search the data, and change the name book filter. Click OK and save this. Now just right click on this entity and generate overview pages for adding the data. Now go to navigation and add this overview page in the navigation. Like click on new item and give the name book. Select the icon like book and down click show a page and select your book overview page here. Click OK. Now run the application and add some data. After running successfully, click on View App and add some data. Like here I am adding some random value like Mendix 1, give the 10, Mendix 2. You can add your data what you want. Like here I added 5 data, Mendix 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, just for testing purpose. You can add what you want or your original data. Now go to your MX Studio Pro. Go to book overview page. Now take a data view here. Double click on it and select a source microflow and create a new microflow. Give the name DS book filter. Click OK. Open this microflow and create the object as a book filter type and return this. Now go to again book overview page. Select this data grid and drag and drop inside the data view. Now double click on this. Go to data source, select microflow and create a new microflow. Give the name DS book list. Click OK and show this microflow. Here, first take a decision. Double click on it and check this condition. Book price equal to empty and book filter, book name equal to empty. If this condition is true, then return the whole list, because in the search filter, in the book price search filter and book name search filter is nothing. So return whole list. Click OK. If this condition is true, take a retrieve activity. Return your book list from DB and return the list. If this condition is false, it means something is available in the search filter. So first take a retrieve activity here. Retrieve data from DB, select your book entity, and in the X path write the condition like contains book name, or book filter slash book name equal to empty. If suppose someone first I write the whole condition, then I will explain you. Suppose someone enter the only book name and leave the empty book price. So for this case, check this condition is true and this condition is true. And suppose someone is enter book price and leave the book name field is empty. So in this case, this condition is true and this condition is true. And suppose someone is enter book name and book price both, then this condition and this condition will be true. That's why I am writing this. Click OK. Change the name book list filter data. Click OK. And now return this list. Save this. Go to again book overview page. Remove this field. You can see all the values are configured automatically. Save this. Now take a layout grid inside data view as two column. Inside this, take two text view. First for book price and second for book name. Now select here book name from data view. Click OK. And then select here book price from data view. Click OK. Now save this. Now do one thing. Double click on this. Go to event tabs. Select here on change and select column microflow and create a new microflow. Give the name OCH like on change. Refresh. This microflow will do nothing. This is for only for refresh the value. When I am entering Mendix or Mendix value like, then this is useful for refresh the value. Click OK And here remember one thing, select this. Suppose we want the filter data when we are entering the value, not when we have entered the value and leave the field. That's why select this checkbox here and keep the default value. Now show the microflow, click OK. Here just take a change object and select this object and refresh the value. That's it. And save this and select this microflow inside book price also. Go to overview page, double click on it, go to event types, select on change and select OCH, refresh, click OK. Now save this and run the application. After running successfully, go to browser and now test the your filter. Suppose I am entering Mendix. So all the book name contains Mendix. That's why this is showing all the value. Suppose I am I enter 1, then you can see change the value. Like here showing only two value, Mendix 1 and Mendix 10, because 1 and Mendix 10 also contains Mendix 1, but